Up first this evening, fanfare and cheering at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston as the reigning Miss World, Toni-ann Singh, is now in Jamaica for a 3-day visit. Miss Singh, who was crowned on Saturday, arrived just over half an hour ago on a British Airways flight from London. Now our reporter Giovanni Dennis is at the airport and now joins us live for an update. Giovanni.
Everyone is asking about Miss Nigeria and the relationship. Is she your best friend now?
She's my sister forever, and I cannot wait until she gets to Jamaica. Of course, I'm going to have to be there when she tries her first jelly. Must be there.
And what are you looking forward to most during this trip?
Just being home, being around family, being around all of you. You know, we're one big family in Jamaica, so I'm excited to see everyone.
Okay. Just going to get a quick word from Miss Morley as well. Miss Morley, Miss Julia Morley, chairwoman of the Miss World franchise. You're here in Jamaica with our Miss World, with our Miss Jamaica. Your thoughts on the hospitality here and the whole competition and her performance?
Well, Toni-ann was just warm, kind. I think the most important thing is she was a natural, sweet person, and she was gentle and kind and was a great representative for Jamaica. And in the end, there were the girls lined up on stage, and everybody, including the girls waiting in the wings, they were screaming for her. So we knew that she was not just popular with the judges, she was very popular with the whole world. So she's a lovely young woman, and she will represent Jamaica beautifully and the world, because we have a lot of things to do around the world. But she just wanted to come home, and that's home. Home is where your heart is, and her heart's surely in Jamaica.
Home is where the heart is indeed. Culture Minister Olivia Grange at a press briefing yesterday outlined a 4-day cultural visit program that Miss Singh will be on starting tomorrow. I don't want to preempt tomorrow's press conference, Minister Grange, but briefly for Jamaicans who will want to see her, to get a glimpse of her right now, to be where I am actually. What do you say to them? How and where can they see her before she leaves?
I just want to say, come out to Emancipation Park tomorrow evening at 7. It will be a great evening. It's a cultural concert in Toni-ann Singh's honor, and I just want you all to be there. Come out and enjoy yourself and welcome her and give her all the love you can. So I look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow evening, Emancipation Park, 7 p.m.
Okay, so we don't want to break the protocol. We don't have enough time. They did say they weren't taking any questions, but because she wanted to say something to Jamaica, we have gotten a word from Toni-ann Singh and also the franchise owner for Miss World, and also the franchise owner, the CEO for Miss World. And so tomorrow morning there will be a press conference followed by her trip to Unruly Fest in St. Thomas, and there will also be a cultural concert at the Emancipation Park tomorrow where Jamaicans can go. And it's free as well, right, Minister?
It's free, but I would like Mayor Hugh is here, the mayor of Morant Bay, and he can tell you all about the motorcade that's going to take place.
Of course, we'll get details of that motorcade right afterwards, but we have to go back now. I'm almost certain they want to continue the newscast. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. I'm Giovanni Dennis coming to you from the Norman Manley International Airport, and I'm sending you back to Herman in studio.
All right, thank you, Giovanni Dennis, there at the Norman Manley International Airport, where Toni-ann Singh just touched down back in Jamaica, the 4th Miss Jamaica to be Miss World.